Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out with both my sons, Scott and Kevin. We're all three on the 300L's. Three honeys. Oh wow, look at all them cars over there. What is all that?
Holy cow.
There's a whole bunch of them vans too. What all that was?
I don't know.
Like a campground over there or something. We're out checking this road out. This is toward Gardner Canyon. This is Gardner Canyon Road here, I guess. The main road right now. But there's lots of trails off of it in the last few videos, if you watch them, where we went out in there. And we didn't even cover just a little portion of them. But now we're just going to go up this road, check it out for a ways, see what it looks like. Because we've not been out here that long, really. It's only 4:30. We're going to go on top of that mountain right there. This is a smooth dirt road.
Yeah.
This is nice. It's nice. Holy cow, what was that? Looks like a burnout there. Camp spots there. I see some tracks on them hills looking to the right.
Oh yeah, people have been climbing them.
Somebody been up there ripping it up.
Those are big tire tracks.
I know, I don't know what that is, like a Jeep maybe. Oh, maybe that's that track hoe thing. You see this in the ditch?
I was say, well, that
it could be
like it's...
Yeah, I bet it's a dozer or whatever's been going around here. See
it looks like it because it's got lights through it, so it's definitely tracks.
That's what it is.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Is like they're huge. That's got to be something like a.
I bet it's a dozer or that track hoe. They're doing something. That track hoe would beat you our right up there. This is that road that I saw on earlier when we was on the other side over there. On the map. I actually don't know what it's doing other than tearing stuff up. It's like taking out trees. That's what it's doing. They're going out through there and just ripping trees out.
I don't know.
Look how fast they're going. That's what I've always said. It's funny that when you watch people like that, them cars like that, they drive faster than the big Jeeps and the four-wheel drive trucks.
I know, they just don't, no care in the world.
They don't. They just fly like idiots down these roads. And people in their Jeeps, you know, they're just kind of crawling up through here slow. They just ain't got no sense, I guess.
I mean, the Altima's an off-road beast.
Yeah, that's true. Campground
Hey, there
there.
it is.
Oh, yep, there it is.
Oh, yep.
There's the track hoe. This is going to be that road we saw along that ridge, I bet you.
Well, yeah, it has to be. It's all the closest thing.
That's what he's out there doing. He's just out there tearing trees out of the ground. Looks like. So far, this is just a long dirt road.
Yeah.
It's not a bad one.
I mean, it's pretty nice.
Yeah. Apache Spring Ranch, Gardner Canyon Road. And what does it say? Boulder Crest
Foundation.
I don't know what that is. They just, I don't know, they go all the way up through there. That one to the right goes to that, where we went earlier.
That's an actual ranch.
It comes out on that road.
That's an actual entrance to somebody's ranch. Is it public?
It don't say keep out.
I mean, it would say up there by the ranch.
Because there straight ahead is Gardner Canyon Road. Still says Gardner Canyon Road.
Gardner Canyon Road's over there, though, I thought.
That's what it says.
It says to the right.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, straight ahead, but don't go. I'm seeing it now. It's a little bitty trail here. Yeah, we need to go right.
Oh.
I just wasn't looking at the map right. I was looking at it cockeyed. Yeah, that's a private ranch. Evidently,
It looked like it was wide open.
heck, if I had mine, I'd have a sign there saying private. You know,
Yeah.
why would you want everybody wondering and then go up in there and turn around all the time? Because that's what they're going to do. Maybe they like seeing people.
Dang, that's a nice ranch. Holy crap.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
Okay, that's what we're buying next, Scotty.
Yeah.
What?
For about a nickel and a piece of gum.
Yeah, we could probably get that, I'm sure. You could, yeah, I mean, finance it.
Yeah, for the rest of my life.
Right, that's part of it.
Dang, this is awesome down here.
Holy
They got it
cow.
made.
Yeah,
They got
look
a
at
pond
that.
and everything.
Check that
Look
out.
at that.
That's a spring pond, too. Guest
That's
house.
freaking beautiful.
Got a guest house over there, looks
You
like.
can tell that pond ain't gross on the inside.
I
It's
know.
nice.
That's nice. Probably full of trout.
Oh my God! Look at it. I mean, they got a dock built into it, a little bench and everything. My goodness.
That's an awesome place. They got all kinds of stuff out there.
There's multiple houses.
Yeah, it's some kind of business too. Apache Springs,
Yeah.
whatever it is. Some dude got more money than I do owns that. Maybe.
Yeah, it's generational.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave you guys a place like that.
Yep.
Pass it down to the generations.
Arizona Trailhead.
OHV information.
Whoa, there's actually a river running down
Holy cow.
Is that the road?
I bet it is.
I bet that's the road end of it.
Here we go across it, I'm sure we do right there somewhere.
Oh yeah, we do up there.
We go across it or up it? Looks like you're going up it. That's where it goes.
Yeah.
Whoa. That's a long step down. Oh yeah. Just goes right up through there and up the hill. Just keep rolling so you don't put your feet down and get your feet wet. That's a nice spring feeding that. It says Onyx Cave up ahead.
That goes down there.
Pretty nice ditch.
Yeah.
It's a ditch, can you dig it? I'm definitely wondering about this dead end. It don't show no dead end on the map. It just goes right on. They must do that just hoping everybody turn around.
Yep. It's just there for people to lose hope.
Yeah,
Somebody put a dead end sign out here, that way nobody can come out here when they're out here.
yeah. Just the individual come out, stuck up a sign. Make most people turn around. Uh-oh. 6 foot deep.
Hey,
Did you get wet?
on my butt, yeah. It splashed all the way up on my butt.
Well, you hit a pretty good click there.
Yeah.
Dang, that water's running down through that little ditch.
Yeah, I think I found the dead end.
Yeah, it don't show it on the map, but it shows it goes on.
Yeah, walk trail.
It is a dead end. It shows it. That's crazy. It used to be open, is what it was, and they've shut it off.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was guessing, because it looks pretty
Cave
wide
Canyon. It's Cave Canyon Trail.
Yeah, shows Cave Creek.
And this creek is flowing real good. This would be a nice place to come camping.
Tunnel Spring. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Catch y'all in the next video. Right on.